Hi, grade 9. Today we're gonna try to review some information about how we can plot points. So as you remember from previous grade, from grade 7 and grade 8, usually we need to start with the x coordinate and after that with the y coordinate. So if I have any point like A or B or C or D and I need to find the coordinate, I have to start first to find the x, then the y. So let's say I'm going to start with point C. So I'm coming from the origin, which is 0, 0, and going one step to the right. So this is like 1. So right away, the x coordinate is 1. And after that, I see that it's going down 2 steps. That means negative 2. For example, let's see point A. Point A, I'm going, we start first with the x, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. That means negative 4 because I'm going to the left. And after that, I'm going up, which means positive for sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So right away, 4 and 5. Now, I'm going to see point B. B, as you see here, is going left 2 steps. That means negative 2. But it's not going up or not going down. That means it's on the x-axis. That means right away the y is 0. Regarding point D, when we start how many far from 0, 0 on x-axis. So it's not going to the right, it's not going to the left, it's on the y-axis. Right away, that means it's 0. But going up for 3 steps, that means positive 3. And this is how we can find or how we can read the coordinate of point A, B, C, G. Now, if I have the opposites, if they give me the coordinate of each point and I have to find how to plot it on the drawing or on the graph. So I have D, it's 5, 1. So I come from the origin, which is 0, 0, and I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the 5 steps. And after that, 1 up, that means it's here. So I can say that this is point D with coordinate 5, 1. Next, negative 2, 4. Negative 2, so I'm going to the left, 1 and 2. And after that 4, it's positive, so that means I'm going up 1, 2, 3, and 4. Therefore, this is point E, and point E with a coordinate negative 2 and 4. F, I'm going 3, that means I'm going right 3, 1, 2, and 3. And after that, I'm going 1 with negative, that means I'm going down with 1 step. Right away, this is a point F with 3, negative 1. And the last one is negative 4, negative 2. So I'm going to the left, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And after that, I have to go down 2 steps. So after I went left 1, 2, 3, and 4, 2 down, and it will give me point G with coordinate negative 4, negative 2. So don't forget, very important, that we know that we start with the coordinate x and after that y. So this is the x, this is the y. If the x is positive, that means I'm going to the right. If x is negative, that means I'm going to the left. The y, if it's positive, that means I'm going up. And if it's negative, that means I'm going down. And don't forget, if it's on the x-axis or on the y-axis, I have to be careful. For example, point B, again, if it's on the x-axis, the y equal to 0. But for D, because it's on the y-axis, the x is 0. I hope you understood how we can read the coordinate of any point and how we can plot points if I have their x and y coordinate. Thank you for listening.